She made it clear. She told me she wanted me to leave, so that's what I did.
She did not mean that.
I'm not going through this with you again. She said leave, so I leave.
Actually, it's left.
Right.
It's left.
I was saying right for left.
Will you please come in the house?
I'm not sleeping at your house, Damien.
Why not?
Because you like to come in the room when dudes asleep and give them...
Well, if I see it up,
Good night.
it's my job to bring it down. It's service.
Coming on a copyright for that. Feet talking. Is that topic we come with? You see, it's like, I say 1 o'clock in the morning. Oh, no, if I look at that girl, then I have no money. You see me, dear, my friend? Huh?
I'll think about it.
You have a man for me? Keep it for yourself. Nobody give me, not sorry for me, not say me married to a woman. You understand me? Wipe on the man, put the hope on it, my friend. You see me? Yeah, you see one girl, me get to realize from what they say. Uno glad to sell pussy, uno deal with it eloquently. You see me a deal with? Uno girl, uno glad to talk, say, oh, free fucker rape and blase, blase, blase. You see me? You see me? You know, it's a workless and a workless. You want to see me laugh? But that's serious. A workless and a workless. Boo, listen, goods. A workless one. Me not ask you. Good as. Alright, I'm going to hug you then. Because you're a free fucker rape, you know. Fuck, did come here myself? Eh? Mama, God hate you. You say, look at pussy, God despise you. You see me? You say God hate Saddam, God hate you because you sell a pussy. You see me? Remember, so good as ambition enough, you know. Oh, no boy can't fuck me and not give me no money. Good as, you're too glad. You're very glad. It's like when a glad back bust with down here, sell pussy, whoa. You're jump up. You're glad when you walk anywhere. Yo, miss, I fuck myself. Yo, myself, fuck, boy. When you make prostitution look like it's a trend, you're not glad to be prostitute to the time. Boy, I never think would I see it there. I never think a pretty woman walking that. You will only want to be pretty woman, bro, God. Bro, God, that in the 90s, bro, God, when time man they desperate to look a pussy and them thing that they might take up dirty girl on the street and I give dirty girl clothes and shoes and dirty girl look good. Mama, modern time now, all out now sell pussy. How it all go? How the pussy price stay out the road right now? The pussy price can't look good right now. Because everybody has sell pussy. I mean, everybody has sell pussy. Pussy come like crack in the 90s, in the 80s, you know. When crack just licked New York, you know, on the Rikers Island, you know. Right now, pussy selling, you will dead. Yeah, man. You will get stabbed in your chest, man. You sell more pussy than a girl. He must stab in your chest and kill you, man. You see me doing? Right now, my friend, pussy I sell like hot bread. I mean, pussy have it up on a set like a downgrade price. You see me doing? Because, let me tell you, you know, bro, God, every girl I sell pussy, you know. Me not tell you about 1 or 2 or 3 or that girl, me mean, all that girl must sell pussy, that. And you see, oh, you know that pretty me, I said, oh, breathe now. The whole of them girl I said, they nah link with bro God if we not beat out them crutches, bro God. You see me I deal with bro God? The girl them a fuck with the things. If we don't give girl them nothing, the girl them nah fuck with, bro. You see me I deal? Right now, any girl where you buck up, my friend, as you buck him up and you give him 2 lyrics in a ears, him a beg you sing. Yes, man. Because even for you to tell her say you like her, you know, that means you want some pussy, you know. For you tell a girl say you like her, you know, you want some pussy, you know. Mama talk the same time. Mama say, boy, you know, me thirsty. Lad, because you know, love more the banana chips, so all of them are sell pussy. Some of me ask, you know, how the pussy price are go then if I like pussy, they must say, how we go? Little and nothing, half price, 75% off, 25% off. How the pussy thing go? Because even in a season right now, in a Christmas season, me not, boy, me not know if pussy a sell same way. Pussy still a sell, you know what I mean? See that? See me good brother there. Then sorry, what me tell you say man? Not tell you about them dirty girl there man. All them want to do a fuck you and collect money if you go put on fake braces, you know. When you look, you never see so much braces in your blood clot life, you know. Me don't know why cartel go put it on and say aha, you know. For a cartel say aha with the braces in on the teeth, you know. Everybody want to be brace face, you know. You see, bro? Nowadays, see all the little blood clot that you thinking that girl them blood clot that beat them like a lace glue on the top with them one of them blood clot lip. I hang over like pussy clot, hammerhead shark. I say all the bumper clot that girl mouth spread off on the face like heel back to pussy clot. Yeah, that's all I know. I take your money and do. Well, alright, wanna sell little pussy tonight? Wanna sell little pussy? Wanna do with the money I'm morning? Take you go buy blood clot. Where you sitting in your babes always are making there? Babes, where you did? The wig, where the wig mean? The lace, what? Lace front. You see, bro? Or whatever the fuck. When you go sell the little pussy, you come, you buy out the whole little lace front them with a nice store. Get the blood clot, glue the plaster and the blood clot thinking glue on the blood clot face. And when I go out with yourself and I go, when you smell like bleaching cream and thinking blood clot lace glue. I mean, so the body I'm thinking, girl, all on the door sell out the little pussy, you know. Whether you have dirty girl, rich girl, poor girl, you all on to sell the pussy. You understand me? No fuck. Every girl fuck to reach where they at in life. Anywhere you're there in life and they say you fucked up. You see me idea? You fuck yourself in a life, believe me. You see, anywhere you're there in a life right now, if a suffering, if a problem, if a stress, and that for your fuck cause you. You see me idea? The fuck when you are put on, I eat that. I result. This is the result. You understand me? You fuck not depend on the price. You see me idea? You're not a peaceful fuck, a cemetery fuck, that darkness. Darkness has fallen. You see, bro? So tell me something. The selling of the pussy. If the whole of the plan to sell out the liquor catches there. I'm so glad. I'm not too blood glad. I'm not no shame. None ambition shit house. Girl. Thinking girl. Yeah, shit house goods. You see, bro? You're not no fucking shame. Hey. What got me there sell out? Alright. Me and my wife a reason. But when I will look at charge it down in Miami side there. You see me? I be a pussy woman sell. I'm going to sell a pussy, I'm going to top sell a pussy. So I said to my wife, so I said, babes, what you think I got happen? When time the pussy rub out, nothing left in the sell. I mean, brother, you can't just sell pussies and it just stay tight, you know. That half a blood clot wallow out, you know, bro, God. Sound like one aluminum, you know. You see what I did, bro, God? Yes, pussy clot. When me see me, I say, you see it? When this a pussy done pan him bumbo clot now, how it go? Somebody tell me how it go. Nobody can tell me how it go. But let me tell you, she go sell her body wall and it not have so good. Not have so good. And God. You understand me? And it's fucking sad. It is fucking sad, bro, God. You understand me? Look at life. Life is treacherous. You understand me? Life is fucking treacherous. Let me get the weed together. Hey, don't play no games with me, weed. Don't do that. Don't feel happy if you play no weed games and you come out the weed man a ramp. Yes, baby. I get a little puzzling thing because I just a while ago I see Jody Couture. Jody Couture to Pussyclad. So now I realize where me I come from with this thing. So I see Jody Couture. Big mouth Jody Couture. She me a dog, you see me? Jody Couture on the ramp, you tell her say fuck out like dog, you know. You see me at the end? Me say, lady, queen lady gangster, she bought one little small clippings of Jody Couture. Jody Couture, free for career. Da 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 da, this and that and that and that. Spread off in big mouth and I make being eyes out tight. You see, bro? You see all girl like them there? Them they not a shame and nothing about them, you know. Nobody never regards them they as girl pitney, them they self up till the day that die, you know. You see me, dude? I be a come, them they drinking, them they fuck out, you know. You see, bro? Them the ramp, we tell you how fuck out them being alive. You see me, dude? I'm pretty now. It's like nowadays it is a trend. For your stripper sell pussy fuck out your dog shit. It's like that's the new in thing. If you no fuck out like a dog, if you not walk a suck every cocky, if you not be a mattress, you not nobody. You see, bro? You see to the rate, when you look at all of the artists, them and all of them claim to say, woman figure you or if you empower woman. None of them can empower none of them. Me asking a question. It's a the new trend. You see, if you fuck out like a dog, you see if you's a walking blood clot mattress, you see if you's a blood clot fuck pet, you see if you's a man toilet, and you carry blood clot swing. From once you's a drunker, from once everybody can fuck you, from once a pussy yourself. You're cool. You're very cool, and you are the cool cat. You see, Brie? You see woman with morals and them see the woman who hard working and woman who believe in themselves and believe in them kids and believe in a family. Them not get them the opportunity, you know. And they thinking more dirty giant blood clot gigi fool dunce girl them and them. Everybody rate. Everybody rate them one bag of dunce girl, dog. Big one thing you. Everybody get up. Woo! Why? Why, me dunce friend? Yeah, me dunce friend. Them are thinking more girl. The whole of them are thinking more girl. I want to claim to say I blow up them body and burst and not tell them to sell pussy. A phone and hide all them there. Who no idolize the girl, them want to tell them to sell pussy and suck cocky and drink come, you know. Eh? And them the girl the girl singing and them the girl more honor for realize the kind of girl them where the man them say hooray too. Who know where you talk about Ray and tell a good girl and this and that. The man them not meds no. The man them not meds no. The man them a hype up the whole I so cocky dance girl them brother. And that, you know, hear what the man say, have a done said girl just a give me brain. You know, hear? So it's like people get up every day and them idolize the one bag of dunce girl when you see, oh Jesus Christ. Nobody can tell me say Shensi and a dunce, no man. Dunce you fuck. Me hate your Shensi attack. Shensi sick my blood clot too much. She couldn't pass your blood clot Jack Queen. Her voice heavier than my one. And me have Adam's apple. Look at that. You see, Brie? Every day they on social media naked in a film blood clot ray and tell them sick my blood clot to my kick and say that I want chimney in a youth. Friend, you look on Shensi, she is on the walking chimney. I want blood clot chimney if you dance all that, bro. God, you see me? Joe the Couture now I use condom for dance all them a dirty thinking gala. Them one bag of fuck out blood clot gala, them a chotty and them a pussy. Them they not a blood clot remorse. That the pussy there and that the chote they not a remorse, bro. God. You see me? And at them the gal them a idolize. Fuck out Joe the Couture, them suck out Shensi and them big pussy Shensi. You see me I deal with? Why not them the phone idolize four girl? You see how I hear that? No phone educated blood clot girl. Me see her jump up and down back of them one bag of dunce girl. And some of them ever not fall. Eh? Bro God, sometimes I see all as educated girl jump up and down back of them one amount of dunce fuck out girl. I wonder what I'm doing. Remember, you know, all of them girls I want to see in a dance and they fuck for reach where them reach, you know. Believe me, man. I don't give a fuck who for woman teacher I'm a boss. No, me not give a fuck who teacher fuck or who suck teacher cocky, you know. Cause you don't know teacher love of them look at dirty done said girl that's a suck your mother, you know. You see me? Do a one show with them claffy, you know. And just have them a girl, a conjure girl visit and just a suck off a basswood. You see, pray. You want to my friend, big fuck out Johnny Cat. You know, see that big stick. I want to know my youth. Them the girl tell us them fuck out, you know, bro. You see me? Them girl look for you in your face and they say me fuck out like dog. Look in your face and tell her that. And uno as well educated blood clot girl jump up and go one bag of dunce girl who does a suck good for reach them a reach. Not one of them girl who wanna jump up and down back at daytime. Uno can't tell me so wanna rate them because they have good business mind. A be a dunce girl where I suck good. Ne? Me you thinking about suck good blood clot he that girl who no gigi and a jump up back. Eh? Someone who want me see a 14 or 15 blood class subject and keep. Someone who got college. Then one bag of dunce blood clot blew up dolly looking thinking pussy girl. Wanna have a run up and I saw wanna hide all them. Which part of them a dunce blood clot girl I wanna hide all them? From look but most of them are thinking pussy blood clot, dunce, blood clot, gigi, foo, laughy, girl. You don't realize to yourself, say, who don't have nothing in them that you idolize. Who don't idolize in them there? Them the girl fuck for reach or them reach, bro God. Suck off many cocky for reach or them reach. Believe that. Them throat was not happy. Believe me. You see, bro? See what them say? What they hear them, the girl they idolize how them a whore and them a dog. And them love it. How no we idolize and respect people like them, they not idiot. Eh? I want to know my friend, man. Who if you know who no follow back, man. You see me and you don't have jump up and down back at them. Yang and all kind, all blood clot, yang. Me see, una have that the little blood clot, young upcoming skettle ya. A blood clot lead, you know. Una sister what mattress that? Dancehall bicycle. I know the rap game, they can show him now if you rap and then fuck him out up your broken. Eh? Mama fuck out dancehall. And come for your rap game if you can fuck out that, you know. Dressing very prerogative. Make I tell you this. You ever see that picture and you want to try to look like you must somebody mama? I skettle that. You remember I look at this box it Joseph. I had it. You look at the box strings them skettle. See bro? Yeah. And then they make bumbo claw full gigi bumbo claw claffy girl on and run up and down back of you. Dancehall fuck chuck them here. Be a little thinking girl. Licey, frozy thinking girl. Hold on. Whoa, I'm a fan. A fan of what? All of them a sell pussy and a fuck out then throat in a dancehall. On a blood clot bone and idolize. Idolize what? Huh? What? Them your blood clot pampas for dancehall if you go sit down. You see, bro? You see, bro? Be a little fuck chop. One of the days, I can't talk about say, oh, them your girl, what? Nobody that come and say with the Jody Couture fucking mouth, Brad. She feel a Kermit the Frog. You see, bro? With him big blood clam. Him a 2 top lip she have in a she and a bottom lip, you know. What the Couture? Couture with him 2 top lip them. So that's why you see me walk and take over every cocky in a dance hall as a suction cup. See, bro? Relax on yourself, man. Who a bully the one? You see me with a stick? All it is jokes to me, you know. But me speak a lot of facts. But a joke me there, saggy. But pray. A joke. The whole on rate the whole I mattress them. Be a dunce girl. DJ phone. Tell me say they no dunce, huh? Tell me say they no dunce. Be a dunce fuck out girl, bro. God. You see, bro? Brother, on the too easy for one more me soon have all blood clad mattress Jody Couture. I say, look at this. I'll teach a careless boy, you know. Tell him about them Capricorn money, yeah? Them Capricorn money and that's nasty. You see me Capricorn man fuck anything there be. Anything them fuck. You see me? And teacher, you don't wanna lie. You don't wanna lie, me I tell you. Teacher, you fuck anything, bro, God. Anything you fuck, you know? Yeah. Cause all this blood clad, all pussy clad carpet, yeah. You see me I deal with? What you doing, Couture? Eh? Couture, teacher, you look at your dad jail. Good little while now. That road I get beat out, a flag out. Red flag. You see me I deal with? Brother, what do you, man? The man they have like a drag on the road like blood clot. I want to you. Be them a pussy clot idiot girl where you say a blood clot fool thinking mouth blood clot girl. I want to you, man. Hit me anything, dog. I swear to God. Cocky, name anything. Alright. Boy, that a fear body jog. Give me them the girl their own strip and prostitute. You don't know. Teacher love it blood clot go them, you see, man. Teacher love it fucking go them, dog. When you talk about go and girl sell pussy, I can't tell that, man. Yeah, man. You see Capricorn, man. Them very nasty, you know. You see when it come on to fucking dirty girl, a Capricorn man them man. Swear. Capricorn man fuck anything, man. Yeah, and one time I say anything, Capricorn man them love fucking dirtiest girl them. Dirty girl them. And use couple like a good one and say, yeah, we fuck this. Yeah. A junker. Yeah. Pussy. Yeah. Bumbuckler. We can't believe it. DJ, you disappoint me. Because we can't believe you come thinking couture. I bet you go back for Slim. Go on back for Gaza Slim because at the end of the day now, Gaza Slim pussy is not friendly like how. Me don't know nothing about Slim pussy too tough. More than you fucking cranium fucking. You see me on David? Yeah. Slim could have hold the pussy still because I don't know what kind of activity that Slim can go out with too. Because teacher even they can't too long yet and you can't go and fuck cranium. True, you hear cranium say, nobody never knows the name you a fuck. Nobody. You see it dirty girl? Me I try to show you. So the love sell pussy. A teacher talk of it. Teacher say, don't see it. Say love no love me. Thinking pussy girl remember you know dirty Slim. Can't tell it speak of you because you didn't go sell the pussy to cranium. Yeah, you know. When that cranium say, nobody love me knows the name you a fuck. A teacher I'm a talk. You see you cranium neatly I want with this. Hey, me and the Gaza have something to say to you, boy. Hey, boy, cranium. Me and the Gaza have something to say to you. Neatly the boy that a style teacher. Neatly the boy that a fuck teacher girl. And a style teacher see me and I say, yo, you know. When did they come with me and you see me, you laugh and you ball and you know see your man that there around here. You see me, you know your man that jail. And me and fuck out your hole. When teacher get a blood class sighted, you see girl a wicked girl, you know? Girl wicked. You see when teacher hears the cranium a fucky, teacher say yo, yo, fuck if you want to get feel. Fuck if you want to say you bumbo class stay there. Act Slim into that talk. Fuck out your whole life business. Yeah man. Slim fuck out the whole of the blood clot business. Teacher say yo, what the fuck? Girl are wicked. You can't trust them wicked girl, brother. Not today. Brother, let me tell you. Slim never did that for credit, brother. But that some girl love sell pussy, brother. You see selling a pussy is a thing, you know, where girl people just can't give it up. Them after sell pussy straight off my butt, brother. You see me at the yeah, I went and cranium go come with the nobody not fi know money. Me blood clot, cause you know when nobody not fi know the drop, you know. Sick, you know. Cranium a tear down your whole blood clot place. Cranium a blood clot. You man a run the thing. Nobody now fi know come all get all international. Remember you know T.Y. Dollars dep on it you know a big song. Yeah. When Slim sister did nobody now fi know money get strong like English pound you know. What you mean? Mama go over there go bust a one fuck on that and say, yo, you want cranium. Take this pussy from me. I sell you some of my pussy on commission. I teach a pussy, you know. But here, teacher that jail, you know. You're hot. You're running place with your throne. All the girl them a say cranium right now. Bumbucklad cranium. This is what me I go do. Boom. Boom. Beat out the blood clot crutches. Boom, me see them do 2 show together, 3 show together. Then no more Slim. So Slim, let me tell you what reach you goods. You go fi sell the pussy to cranium, you know. You make your man fuck you 2 times, you fall in love with the cocky baby girl. So now the man craft you and draft you. You see me a deal with? A man beat out what left out her crutches there. Because when cranium done beat out your hole in a good as. We not hear about nothing from you, you know. Till you do it, yeah. So till you do a tune with Sasko what the you know. A Sasko did release you back in the game like a bit with that tune. A Sasko, me remember it was Sasko. Me remember it was Assassin, you know, because Assassin. Yeah, man, I think assassin. Yes, assassin you did show it. Yeah, good as. From once the man braff you, the man left your blood clot good as for your face. Them time the blood clot Vanessa Bling got on Christian. I'm stronger. Bumbo clot. Me say, Mama start sing gospel to pussy clot. Me say, oh, cranium liquor chip. You see me? No, man, they tell us nobody not even know. And when they you go start tell people the man left you, you should have listened to the man and the man tell us, chill out. Nobody even knows me a touching on your gut and you go and talk. And the man have left you. Because it's a code, you know. Remember, when I go off my own a code, them in a bro God. You see me? Suck your mother slim. And watch you know, you try to run back in the camp one time, nobody even know kick you out, you know. When nobody even know left you up on stage, you there ball in a dog, I try to make teacher see you, know. When I see you, know. When I take back girl give you body, you know. You see me? What do you with the woman did she beg back teacher? Oh, you feel for cranium and teacher name tattoo upon your hand see when you're thinking, girl. You see how you stay dirty girl when love sell pussy? Eh? Don't ask me nothing about spice and teacher, you hear that? Anything what mommy and daddy do that a mommy and daddy thing. Me not know and me not want to know. Basically. You understand me? That's the king and the queen thing. You see, bro? King and queen, the king and queen activity. You understand me? If a subby the case, a subby the case. If it not gossip, it not gossip. But it don't ask me nothing about my parents. I beg you. You understand me? Leave them. Don't go ask me about my parents' sex life. That is not fucking polite. If you ask me about spice, sex life, why? You see it, mother that. Boom, if you ask me about teacher, my daddy that, don't ever try to ask me about my daddy, what kind of waist man style. What kind of waist man style? For my son, what's up ask me about teacher would? You ask me about teacher would. No, me alone, no one say about teacher would. Yeah, deal man. Ask me about teacher would, we talk about a girl that want to sell pussy. You see me? Because Vanessa Blink start selling pussy right out in the first she come in that business, you know. For a teacher start fucking. When that teacher got in a blood clot prison, she goes a boom. 100 blocks get a fuck off of it. I joke, I make 100 blocks, but I fuck with them, but I joke with them. Yeah, my boss in 100 blocks, you know, I not fuck with you. But let me tell you where the fucking bun. The girl that hold it all this while, you know. So till cranium him go come out with this, nobody now have no business. When blood clot, that Vanessa Bling aside say cranium come out with this, nobody now have know it. Yeah, the perfect idea. She shouldn't take that idea. Because right now, I eat that now, teacher done with him. She have to rub out her teacher name. You see me? Babe, she have teacher name for her. Adi. It's just like how I have a name tattooed on my chest. I don't cover up that in the girl because you can't leave me going away. I'm still living in your house. So I don't know where you go. TV, what do I see you? What do I see you? Hey, lick me now. I'm going to bite you funny. Come here. Go and go lay down. No. Go and go lay down.
No.
This is spoiled me. Lord, I come on, I just fling nothing and lick me like that. Dirty pretty, you see it? Yeah. Yeah, she cover up on the name long time. She cover up with dog name. Teacher, what God? Where you did that with my brother? You know that from day before call him up. Brother, you know, so I just partially wake and I go back to sleep when I'm done, you know. Just they are born out the girl them want sell pussy. All they want them in a dance. Want sell the pussy, you know, brother. Every girl they in a dance sell pussy for NEC, you know. Not even for blood clot, lick a beer NEC. You see a girl come and lean on your table, you know you fuck that tonight. You see me, I did, yeah, man. You fuck she and her friend them tonight. You see me, I did, hey, when you go in a party, the teacher, you do it, all you have to do is drop a buckle. You know about that say I go home to your woman. That's a oh me a fuck tonight. So when you drop a buckle, you see the first girl you see come swarm at the table there. Cause they coming like bees, you know. So they coming and swarm. So they come swarm at the table, you know, you just a pick out. You see me a head count here, you know. Yeah, and you see me probably fuck them 2 there and that 3 there and night there, you see me? What the fuck dear? Party for woman, them go show off but they other little girlfriends them and then they want to go show their hot body right. You know what dog them go there for do? Go there for go drop a buckle to get the hot body right and girl them. Right, this is how they can suck off wood tonight. You see me? When we drop a buckle then we are brave and yeah, being a nice guy. I know back of my chair, I'm gonna fuck you when me done. You see me? One day I'll be a nice guy. I'll give you water for drink when me know say me want you for well fuck up because I'm gonna fuck in your hole right now. You see me? One day they with your wallet in there and sit me. Come boy, you want to come sell me some pussy in the night. They're afraid me to fuck you in the night, babes. Oh dear. You see me? You not stay sober if you ask me for nothing. Because when I'm done fucking, I can go to McDonald's and buy a mock chicken and a cup of coffee. You see, Brie? Yeah. And a hash brown. You see, Brie? One or more. Wanna move to and drive, you see, Brie? Yeah, I'm seeing my friend, but it's out there. You understand me? Do you see? Yo, mama, anything is cheap, you know? Yo, anything is cheap, man. You see, teacher, talk to them. Ready, man, ready, daddy. You see, bro, God, hey, let me tell you something. The best time to catch a girl, 4 o'clock in the morning, believe me, she's up on her 4th cup already. Worse if it's a girl who you pretty long time. You will know her. You will see her in a 3 dance already. And you will know how much cup get that right. You as a general there watch it, you see me? You go bounce on it when you see it have a 3rd cup, you see me? And I say, oh, go on, mama, you're good. Yeah. You have like a small talk with mama there. Go on there, chit chat with her and I go and beat out your 1 cup and take. Yeah, say, you come here, go around a car, they go burn out a 1 spliff, man, because I left you weed in a car around there. You see me, and they bum me and him walk and go around there. Because pussy come there for selling at night, then they see a girl, we all a rock on one day at night. That pussy come there come selling at night, you know. But you want to make sure catch him before and catch you. You see me? Boom, when I go in that car, spark up a 1 giant. Still a beat out all the 1 cup that I suck off cocky, my friend. It's oh, I don't say girl doesn't give it bread. Yo, teacher, me glad how you there, so I say, Ray. Remember, I say, I'm married, I'm in a party, I'm in a drive. So I couldn't make me attack. Teacher, you're guilty of any of this. Because, hey, you know which part pink there? Because remember some live, you know, and you know my mouth not really a filter at night time. No, you know, bro, God. You see me? I be always them not tell you, brother, them in a party. And that's that them go in there for the little sunny thinking crutches. I be a blood clot sitting there, battery then get in at night there. Man and him friend then take them and go fuck them out in a car back. Hey, brother, yeah. Yo, teacher, Remember one night, my dog never walk and pass on car, you know. He can't shake your fuck. We know say a fuck a go on in there. But you know when they are fucking a car we fuck up, bro, God. Only the person with the inside can hand fuck the thing. You see, bro? You could have done that side there wipe your fuck. You can't see nothing. You see me I deal with, brother? And me tell you say you can't do say what did that get some wicked fucking on my friend. You see me I deal with? You know what I mean? I left till me know how 2 man and a girl come out that car like them in that bad train. But the battery that boy in a car, but 3 of them boy, me no know, that look tight. I mean, I did want Ford still, one of the Impala them. You know what they want there? Yeah, me don't know, every man then did I run a train pony or if it's a threesome that are me don't know that comfortable, bro, God. You see? But the Impala big still. And that one in a car, I train them to come out the bro, God. Mr. answer to God. Because it's me always lucky if you catch people and fuck. Yo, I used to when me catch you and fuck, me nah left till me see your face. Yeah, man. Me obviously I want fuck because me fast. You see me, blood clot. Yo, when me see 2 men come out that car and the car, me I say, this don't look right. Like, well, she can't suck off in one hood and they want to get her back as well. You know, me don't want to know how that goes still, you know, it's a for them thing, but because there's 3 people there that back away in Impala, fuck. Or one did I watch. I don't know, somebody would can't turn up, I don't know. 2 man and 1 girl, brother. I must trees up. My that joke thing, but some girls serious. I tell you about the seriousness of some of them girls that. Fuck you anyway. Parking lot, in a club. You see me I deal with my virgin coach. You see me I deal. Some girl you fuck and know say your people they right this I see them a fucking and them a fuck see them here. I pussy them myself. Count strokes? Nah, let me tell you something. If me the right here so and two somebody will start fucking in front of me, I would have been very uncomfortable because me I say, why would I just get up and start fucking in front of me? So, but if you come in, come catch you now, fuck now, me I watch. Because I don't know, so I come in, come catch you, you know. Me like the thing the pervert way. You see me I do it? Don't come style me think, boy, walk up, get up and fucking in front of me. What me look like? Eh? Me a photographer. Me not have video not every guys. You see me I do it? Don't do that. If me come in, come catch you now, fuck now, me a people watch. Because them the time there, you go fuck free. You not go a fuck because you know me dead there. You go jam out your pussy and I say, yo, you do it your way. Because somebody knows say you watch them a fuck and them a show off. You see me? Yeah, me like this. Come in, come peep and catch what I go on. Yeah, I want to catch you when you have fall time. Yeah, come in a video, but me just anytime I see you have fuck up and I see a girl not even enjoy it, me I'll clear my throat, make your sister messy. You see me? I'm going to sleep, but me just have to come live when I see what time I come live, 1 o'clock in the morning. My bad dog, bad, very bad.